Alright guys, welcome to the channel, and today we're going to be changing the rear sway bar stabilizer end links on this 2006 Acura MDX. So let's get into today's video. Alright, so just some pretty basic tools you're going to need here to get the job done. You're going to need a tire wrench for your lug nuts, a jack, and you're going to also need an Allen key. This one is 3/16. That's what the replacement size is in the center, right here. You're going to need a 15mm wrench because the nut on the new end links are 15mm, and a pliers just in case the old ones are a bit difficult to come off. You're going to need that to get it off. So I'm going to get the 2006 Acura MDX jacked up and in the air so that we can take off the old sway bar end links. Alright, so now that we have the Jeep up in the air and we have the tire off, we can now get access to the rear stabilizer end link, or the sway bar end link, and they are side specific. As you can tell, this is not the one for this side, so this will be the one like this. Alright, so first thing to do, you want to take your Allen key and your wrench, your 15mm. You want to slip this right over the Allen key. Just make sure it's right in there. You want to come up on this. It seems to be a different size than what I have. Yeah, the 15 is a different size. So I'm going to get a 14 and try it. Okay, so now that I have the 14 or the 9/16, you want to hold the Allen key in the hole firmly, and you see that sway that's not supposed to be there, but that's why we're changing them. And you just want to pry upwards, come towards the top of the vehicle, a little bit of strength, and there it is. So you want to back this nut right off. Let me see if I can get it. Yeah, so you don't need the Allen key after you break it free. Just take off this top nut. See where the Allen key comes in? Now the entire thing is moving. So you're gonna hold it now with the Allen key and continue backing it off. Pretty easy to get off. I guess it's depending on how bad yours really is, or if you're driving in areas that they salt the road or close to the beach or anything like that where it's gonna erode quicker. And there we have it. That is off. You can now knock it right out. So we have the top off. Now we're gonna deal with the bottom. Pretty much the same process. Alright, so I have a 3/8 ratchet and a 14mm deep socket. I'm going to try and just break it free with that. Hopefully this gets it. And there it is. Spin it off my hand. I'm going to hold the top of this. Alright, now everything is spinning. This is where you would want to use that Allen key and the wrench. Pop that Allen key right in there. Here's the wrench. Put the wrong side in there. we go. Could now spin it off by hand, and you want to just push this piece out, and now the old sway bar is out. Okay, so this is the new sway bar end link that I'm going to be putting into the bottom now, bringing that in. I'm just gonna hand tighten this nut down, and that's as far as it'll let me go without using a wrench. And now we are going to go to the top bolt. All right, so now that we are at the top and we have the bottom side in, just gonna feed this side through. You might have to push the sway bar down to get it all the way through, or just bring it up a bit. This ball could move up and down just a tad bit so that you can maneuver it. So let's do that now. There we go. Just want to make sure it's flush at the back, and put your nut on. And now that that nut has stopped, you're going to use your Allen key in the middle to stop the ball from moving. And you're just going to take your time, or at least you can take your time, ratchet this down. Using a ratchet wrench that has a piece in the back end would be preferable or better in any case, but I don't have one of those, so we're just going to take our time and tighten this thing down. Just to add a bit of torque to it, I use the box end, and I'm going to tighten it down. Oh, there we go. So now I'm going to repeat that same process on the bottom, and that'll be it. That's how you install the rear sway bar end links on a 2006 Acura MDX. Alright, so I hope this video helped you guys in any kind of way. If it did, please hit that like button. If you like content like this, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell and hitting all so you don't miss an upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.